Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from WhereView, and today in this video is all about DIY ghost mannequin photography using AI with no using Photoshop and stuff like that. Trust me guys, like before 3 to 4 years, like before the age of AI, creating ghost mannequin images was a really difficult process. You had to use tools like Adobe Photoshop or other professional, photo editing tools. And if you're not really like a software junkie, or if you're not really sound or familiar with professional editing software, then of course you will have to hire a professional for you, who will be creating ghost mannequin images for your dress or t-shirt or whatever garments you are trying to sell. But with the help of WhereView that we have, we can just do that. We can just create ghost mannequin images with just a few clicks. All these images that you just saw just now were all created with WhereView, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to create using WhereView in this video. So let's get into it. First, what I want you guys to do is go to whereview.co, and then you will have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. It takes less than 10 seconds. Once you are done with it, click on the Try It Now button. My health is recovering a bit, guys, so thank you all for your well wishes. Once we click on the Try It Now button or get started, we have all these features that is supported by WhereView. Stuff like AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, and AI Ghost Mannequin, which we'll be using in today's video. So we'll just click on it. These are just simple clicks, guys. You're seeing it right now in the video. So right now we will have to upload the front view of the dress that we have, which is my shirt. And you can also upload the back view, but it's an optional one. If you don't have, don't worry, but I do have it, so I'll just select it. Here, if you want, you can also add some, it's an optional one, anything we should know. If you want, you can tell the AI what's hard to see in the photo. Good notes, guide, a better output, inaccurate ones can hurt. So this is something you can just prompt it out. For example, it says fabric, true color, fit, or details that aren't clear in the photo. So if you see something, make sure to let it know, because it will help in quality of the image. So once you are done with it, click on the next button. Now select the quality of the image that you want. Now if you're really serious about your clothing business or clothing store online, then I would definitely suggest you to go ahead and use the 4K, because the higher the quality of your images are, the more your clients or the more your buyers are going to get converted, because quality is always the king. Cash is king. In the same way, quality is king. So make sure you choose 4K. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. But no, I'll choose 4K because we both are creating it. We both will be using this tool to create the best images for our store, right? Because yes, I will be using it on our store. So choose 4K. For aspect ratio, you can choose to match with the input image or maybe a square one. But for this video, I'll choose 4:3. If you want, you can also go to a vertical one, which is 9:16. Or for horizontal, choose 16:9. But for this video, I'll choose 4:3, and we'll click on the generate button. Now this says that it will take around like 1 minute, but it doesn't. It takes around like 30 seconds. So don't worry, I won't keep you guys waiting for 30 seconds. In the meantime, I'll just drink just a sip of water, because my throat is drying it up. So once the generation is completed, I will resume the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, with just a few clicks, we have our ghost mannequin image of our shirt, which looks really high quality, as we chose 4K. As you can see, the quality of the image, this is the back view and this is the front view. If you want, you can also flip the image horizontally, which is totally not useful here. But if you have some artifacts in the image that you just saw and you want to fix it, click on the refine button and then go ahead and let the AI know what you need to change. For example, if there are some distractions in the background, click on remove background distraction, clean white background, enhance color, sharpen fabric. Your creativity is a limit here. But for this video, I am really happy and also really impressed with the kind of images that WhereView has given me. So what I'll do, I'll just download these both images and I'll be using it on my website or clothing store. You clothing store. You can use these images, you can use any images that you might have, maybe dresses or shirts, trousers, shoes, whatever you might have, to create ghost mannequin images. Well, that's how you create ghost mannequin photography using AI with zero Photoshop required. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or doubt, please let us know in the comment box down below. I really love to help you out. If you have any feature requests, please let us know as well in the comment box. Like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. This is your Victor from WhereView signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.